Hey, welcome back. Now that you have got your tools ready, let's set up something even more powerful, the environment your pet learns in. Because here's something most people don't realize, your environment can either speed up training or completely destroy it. Let me ask you, have you ever tried training your pet, but they keep getting distracted, looking around, walking away, ignoring you? That's not disobedience, that's an environment problem. Start with a low distraction zone. In the beginning, your pet needs focus, so avoid loud noises, too many people, or other pets running around. Instead, choose a quiet room, minimal movement, familiar space. Think of it like a classroom for your pet. Second step, control the space. This is very important. If your pet has too much freedom, they won't focus on you. So, use a leash, even indoors for dogs. Limit the area, remove unnecessary objects. You are not restricting them, you are helping them learn faster. Next is keep sessions short and powerful. Here's a mistake people make, training for far too long. Your pet gets bored, distracted, tired. Find the sweet spot, maybe 5 to 10 minutes per session or 2 to 3 times a day. Short sessions means faster learning. Next step is choose the right time. Timing isn't just about rewards, it's also about when you train. Avoid when your pet is too excited, when they are sleepy, right after a heavy meal. Best times are when they are slightly hungry, calm but alert, and ready to engage. Next step is to remove temptations. Imagine trying to study with your phone buzzing constantly. That's your pet with distractions. Remove things like toys lying around, food smells, open doors. You want their focus on you, not on other surrounding. Next step is gradually add distractions. Once your pet improves, then you level up. Start adding background noise, some movement, or maybe in a new location. This is how you build real world behavior. Right after this video, create your pet's training zone. Ask yourself, is it quiet? Is it distraction free? Do I have my tools ready? Even a small corner of your room is enough. And here's a powerful truth, don't train your pet for the perfect environment. Train your environment for your pet. Because when the setup is right, training becomes easy. And in the next lecture, we'll talk about something that can make or break your results: timing, consistency, and rewards. This is where good trainers become great. So, set up your space, get ready, and I'll see you in the next lecture.